small hiking group having fun, which is great. And let's carry on. Just remember to engage with nature, touch trees and the new leaves from spring, and enjoy the views. Remember one thing, this is also a tip. You didn't come here to rush from point A to point B. You came here for spending time in nature. So spend it, enjoy it, and be nice. One thing you should remember all the time is to stop whenever you see something that is beautiful and that is appealing to you. Why? It's simple, because if it was an invitation for you to stop. So stop and enjoy all the good stuff in it. It's only when everybody leaves that the fun starts. Why? Yeah, because you are all alone, and when you are alone, you can be alone with a group actually, but the important thing is to lower your cortisol and free your mind. So what happens when you spend time in nature is that cortisol levels will decrease and hemoglobin on your frontal lobe will be lower, and you can start giving up on your darkest thoughts, because there is no need to be stressed about, because your body is telling that there is no threat. So why don't you come here? A fun fact about what cortisol does: it pumps your prefrontal cortex with blood, hemoglobin, which is preventing you to have long-term memories. Why is that? It's because you need to rest and restore, and cortisol is a way of your brain telling you you need to rest and to restore yourself. So it is the same thing that happens when you are solving difficult math problems or playing video games. Your hemoglobin in your prefrontal cortex will rise and won't let you be mindful of your surroundings, just making you having you to do a quick response, to have a quick response to whatever you are doing. When you are spending time in nature, actually you are lowering those cortisol levels. So hemoglobin in your prefrontal cortex will lower, and you will be able to let go of bad feelings and bad emotions, and you can start thinking of other things and be more happy and have new ideas, so you can be more creative. Of course, you can only do this if you leave your media, leave your screens, leave your technology behind you. So this is a good start, a small hike. Why not? Yes, you really should slow down to enjoy all this beauty, all this noise, which is good noise, and to be one with nature. Yeah, lower your stress, your anxiety, and to be happy, to feel happiness, and to calm down. Another tip for you is to breathe deeply. Why? Because of all the scents from the trees. They are called phytoncides, and they will do their stuff, which is to calm you down and release the stress from your body. So breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now be mindful of your breathing, because when you breathe, it's the only thing that you do constantly and unconsciously. Another tip for you is, whenever you can find a hiking spot that has some running water, that will be awesome. The reason for this is because we relate so much, because of our survival and evolution, we relate so much to water and water sources that we feel really complete, and fear and stress will go away just because you found water, which is vital. It's quite curious. So a forest, beautiful sounds, and water. Well, it's not hard to imagine our ancestors when finding a water source where animals could drink, we humans could drink. This would mean survival. This is imprinted in our brain as a good omen, a good way to survive. So that's why we feel so calm in the presence of running water, sweet water. Well, sea also, the ocean, but because it means fish to eat, but mainly this was the greatest thing ever. Another reason you should come to find a water source and be there for a moment, it's because negative ionization will be at the most in this type of places. Actually, I don't have the slightest idea where I'm going. This is off the track I invented, so let's explore. Sometimes getting lost is a good thing. Well, don't worry, I know my way back and I know where I can get help, so I'm not lost. I'm just taking a different path. So in this type of hikes, what I like to do is to find a place where I can either or look down or look up to see where I am. So I guess I find a spot where I can tell you right away where I am in the Serra de Sintra. Sorry about the noise. Human noise is a nuisance, but look at this. Over there is Cabo da Roca. Where I was some days ago, and to look up to see where Peninha is, I cannot find it. I'll try to see if the path moves up. If not, I will go back. So stay tuned. So I hope you can hear me because of the wind. And so this is the final step. I will now climb up till the car and enjoy some rest. I hope you are enjoying the video, and I hope if you do, leave a like below and subscribe to my channel. Well, it's very important to me because I can still produce more content like this if you like it. So let's go, let's climb uphill. See you! What a view. Wow. Amazing stuff.